Hey everyone, on today's journal, I would like to explore the fundamental nature of our mind. We have a lifetime experience with our own mind, but there are many aspects of our mind we are unaware of it. The mind, as we know, identifies itself with a particular body and that appear to exist only in the state of wakening and dreaming world, then disappears in deep sleep. Understanding the mind gives us the key to transforming. What we call mind is an activity that our mind forms and experience within. It is just a process of bundle of thoughts, perception, feelings and sensation. These are activities. It comes and go. Our mind can't be made out of that activities of mind. That can't be our mind. But there is something always present. It doesn't come and go. It's aware of our mind activities in which every mind activities are known and take place. The mind must be made out of that. Think about it from your own experience. What is there? What is that common nature of all the mind activities? In fact, all the world activities. That knowing of it. That knowing of it. Have you ever experienced anything other than knowing of it in any of your experience? The knowing element of the mind always present and aware of the mind activities. That knowing of the mind doesn't come and go. It doesn't disappear in waking or dreaming world and is always present in deep sleep. Go to your experience and see this. It's in your daylight waking world, in your dream world, what is present there? The knowing of it. And then your deep sleep. Yeah, deep sleep is empty of meaning, but you are there, aren't you? Because when you get up next day, you are saying that I had a deep sleep. So the knowing of it is there, isn't it? So that is what I'm saying. So that knowing of it always present. There is only one thing that always present and with us is that knowing. Then the mind must be made of knowing or that awareness that doesn't have any limitation. The knowing or awareness is the fundamental nature of our mind. The reason I say that, because other than that, there's nothing there in your experience. You take any of your experience, go back, take any experience, whether your past or even the current, take the experience and see what it is there other than the knowing of it. We can see this in our own experience. Take our worst things you had experienced in your life or pleasant things. What is left there now other than the pure knowing of it? All those horror movies, thriller movies we played in our head and the traumas that we experience in our life, what is there now other than pure knowing of it. I mean, this is, I can say, but unless, you have to go to your own experience to verify this. Otherwise, it's not going to make any sense. Say, take some time, question your experience, then you will see that all is there is just knowing of it. Probably this is one of the reasons why in wisdom traditions they say everything is Maya or illusion, because everything's made out of only knowing. There is no thing out there in external world made out of things called matter. The external world we experience is an extension of our mind, made out of pure knowing or that awareness. What we are experiencing filtered through our mind based on our past conditioning or programming. Most of these activities are on a subconscious level. The external world we experience also made out of the same things as our mind. The pure knowing is an appearance within ever present knowing field of awareness. I know when you listen to this thing, you can sometimes see that, you all find it, strange. But that is the truth of it. You can go into your experience and question it. Anything you experience, external world or whatever goes on within you, every single thing made out of awareness or the knowing field of it. Other than that, nothing there.